me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. On this channel, I do like to bring a lot of makeup and hair related videos. So if that is something you are interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing another sensational unit from the What Lace collection. It is one of the newer units that just came out. I'll be reviewing Brielle, and I have her in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. And this is what her stock card looks like. So if you're not familiar with the What Lace collection, they are known for having a very natural looking hairline as well as an undetectable lace. This collection is extremely popular. So let's go ahead and get into this review. Alright, so I've already cut off the lace and decided to go with a middle part. Now I'm just securing some bobby pins as well as applying my brown eyeliner pencil around the lace so that it is undetectable. Although you can't really see it on camera, this unit definitely has a lot of flyaways. So I'm going in with my Nairobi foam mousse just to kind of help tame those a little bit more. Now there wasn't a lot of humpage going on in this unit, but of course I always go in with my hot comb and just try to get it as flat as possible. Now I'm going to go in with my contour powder and just go around the edge of that lace so that it blends in with my skin color. So now that I am done with styling, let's talk about Miss Brielle. So before I talk about Brielle, I have to mention the previous two What Lace units I just reviewed, which were Letitia and Zelina. Now I had issues with it not being pre-plucked. Didn't really think it was HD lace. I mean, However, the good with Brielle is they actually pre-plucked this one. Hello? Thank you. I didn't have to pluck a thing on this one. Now this is how the other two should have been pre-plucked. So that is my first pro. I am excited about that. Thank you for at least giving us one that was pre-plucked. All right. Another pro. These nice beach waves. They're really pretty. It's super long too. I don't know if that's a pro or a con just yet, but it is super long. I also love this Flamboyage chocolate color. So it's like it looks like a 4 to me with some highlights of like 30 mixed in here, some lighter browns, and then it's probably like 3 colors up in here. Then it looks more like a reddish brown in the back. So it's just variations of chocolate. Like us. Variations of chocolate. Once again, just like the other units, I do appreciate the fact that I did not have to glue her down. I just used my little bobby pins here on the side to keep her in place or keep her from flapping in the wind, and that works just lovely for me. And then of course another pro is having all of this parting space or all of these parting options. Alright, so we still got a few cons with this one, y'all, that I have to point out. Number one is the tangling. It's still a little, look, I'm not gliding anywhere. I'm a little stuck. I'm not gliding nowhere. But of course she is super long and synthetic, so I do kind of expect to have the tangling. I was just kind of hoping that I didn't have it so early, but they're consistent because I have the same issues with the other one, so consistency. Also with the shedding, I'm still getting a lot of shedding. Now, I didn't even pluck this one. I did pluck the other two, so I had a lot of shedding probably because of that, but I didn't pluck this one at all, and I still got a lot of shedding, so yeah. I also decided to lay down a few little baby hairs for no apparent reason, really, because it's the middle part, so it's kind of hanging down anyway. But I figured I didn't do it with the other one, so I might as well do it with this one. Alright, so let's talk about this cap size. Now, I have a small to medium sized head measuring at 21.5 inches, and this junk was barely fitting me. I'm not sure how some of my bigger head friends are getting this on. Like, I kept having to pull this baby up. I even had to take off my wig grip because I kept feeling like it was sliding back. I even had to use the combs. I never use the combs. I never use the combs. I was like, yeah, let me pull these combs out and stick it in this hair before it slides off. So yeah, that's kind of what I did. The texture of this hair is probably more on the light Yaki side. It's not really silky. Yeah, it got a little texture to it. It's like a light Yaki. I actually like the feel of it. I think I could also put this unit in the beginner friendly category because, again, you don't have to glue it down. You don't have to use the baby hairs if you choose not to. Just a little powder in the parting space. That's really it. This is definitely beginner friendly too. Now, is it just me, or does this hair look nothing like the stock card to me? I feel like it looks nothing like this stock card. When I pulled it out of the package and I kept looking at this picture, I was like, this don't even look like the stock card. It looks, I don't know, it just don't look the same to me, but that's just my opinion. Alright, so the price point, y'all. The price point is the same as the other new wet lace units. Between $53 and $60 for the natural color, and probably an additional $4 or so for this kind of specialty color. So still on that higher priced side. It is, yeah, it's a little pricey. So the big popular question, is it worth it? So I feel like this one is a little better than Zelina as far as the HD lace, as far as the pre-plucked hairline. It still has the tangling and shedding though. But I don't know if I would say that it's still worth $60. You know, I'm just not blowing away. It's just, you know, it's okay. $60, I feel like I have a couple units that look just like this. I know my purchase finger, my trigger finger for online shopping is quick. I just be click, click, click. I know I got a quick trigger finger, but I'm at least here to help those who may be a little more conscious. So I'm here to tell you whether or not I think it's worthy of your coins of $60. I don't think so, y'all. I'm not gonna say that. I can get real close to the same unit for much less. I'm just being honest. I'm just gonna be honest. Alright, so y'all let me know what you think about Brielle down in the comments below. You know I love to chit chat with you. Please be sure to thumbs up this video and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not. Alright guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye y'all.